5-3-3. Moving back to the 3 spot, the 5-13 of Archer Henning taking over the 2. It's our 7-year-old novice group for total points. You got a 6-year-old, a 5-year-old, and a 7-year-old. Kylie holds on to the point as she goes into turn 2.
Come on, Kylie! Go, Archer!
Grant's hitting the rhythm section. Kylie's coming out of the final turn.
Battle, Archer! Go, Kylie!
Kylie looking to pick up the overall 1. Archer going to get your overall 2.